about when.
Don't point.
Oh yeah, when. Here we go. This is better. We were laughing at that and that last video. This is better. Don't you think?
This is way better.
But the back part is so gross.
The back part's so gross.
It's a circle.
I don't get where that's funny. That was funny.
Hey, this time we didn't go out of our chairs.
Oh, let's try to make straight faces.
Okay. Hello there.
Hi.
My name is Billy.
My name is Eduardo. I don't know how to say that.
Eduardo.
Excellent.
Straight face. How are you doing there?
I'm good.
Let's do it.
Let's make a mustache. Can you draw a mustache on me? Like I draw a good one. No! Okay, like a good mustache. A good one.
No, gosh.
Oh no. Can I draw a mustache on you?
No, so ugly. It's so ugly. Let's make a weirdo mustache.
That's so small.
I know how this is bigger.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were recording. I'm sorry, people.
It looks even worse.
Oh, that's a lie. Here, but you can make mine ugly.
Oh, this way. I'm trying to make it look like mine. I'm trying to Wait, let me make it longer. It's giving me a tattoo. I'm trying to make it longer. For you.
Do you like that
Do
mustache?
you like this mustache?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Right there.
Right there.
Where is it?
I don't know where it went.
There it is. It's all beautiful. This is what happens when you don't shave it right.
That is what happens.
You like it?
I like it.
Oh, good. Oh, my. Oh, my gulai. That means all my vegetable. People who do not know that.
Really?
Yeah.
What language?
Oh.
Oi, ano ba? Kumusta ka?
Mabuti.
Naman. Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman.
SpongeBob.
Oi, ano ba? Kumusta ka? Mabuti naman. I don't speak it fluently or good at all.
Kind of.
Let me see what else I could say. Utut.
Teaching utut.
No, I didn't. It was you.
No, it was this thing.
Yes.
Utut.
I thought you were supposed to say that after.
Whoops. Oh, my bad. It smells so bad. Woo.
I'm sorry. No, sorry.
Like, that was my fault. It was my butt.
It was my uncle.
He's right here in the middle.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, it's running out of ink and it's my favorite pen. I'm a man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I forget it. I didn't say the word. You know how you already noticed? We've been doing this a lot and it's like a series kind of thing.
Yes.
Yes, you better
Yes,
watch
it
this.
is. Oh my gosh, it's so small.
Tell your friends about this.
I got it on
Oh,
me.
yeah. It's called shaving.
I'm shaving.
Not the imaginary mustache.
I had this on my face. I got
That is not eyeliner or mascara. It's a mustache.
Yes.
Mustachio.
Yeah.
She shaved it again.
I'm shaving.
Shaving time.
You know I'm in that stage.
Look at, do you like my hair? That's so pretty.
Right. It's like 5 minutes already. Should we stop it now?
Yeah, good. Say bye.
5:30.